This is part 2 of Getting Started with Microsoft Word 2016. I'm Dr. Lisa Henderson. In this video, we're going to insert a picture, center a picture on the page, set the size of a picture, and apply an effect to the picture. It may help you to follow along with me. You can pause and restart the video as you need to. Let's begin by opening the document that you created in Part 1. If you did not do Part 1, go ahead and open a blank document in Word and let's get started. So I'm going to insert a picture and I want it to be right in here below my title. I want to center it below the title and put it between the title and this first paragraph of text. I click to position my cursor in that area. I click the Insert tab to select it. In the Illustrations group, I'm going to choose Online Pictures. Now this is if you want to download a picture from the internet. I get the Bing image search tool here and I'm going to type white German Shepherd because that's about what my dog looks like. Press the Enter key and I have all of these photos to choose from. Now these are all protected, as you can see here, by Creative Commons licenses. And you're responsible for making sure that you don't violate any copyrights. So you would select a picture, for example, maybe I'll choose this one, put the check mark in, click Insert, and I get this picture. It's protected. This photo by unknown author is licensed under this Creative Commons. So I could use this picture if I wanted to. I actually want to use my own picture. So I'm going to undo what I just did. Click the undo button here. I'm still positioned here. I want to choose a picture from my own computer. I'll click Insert, Pictures. I need to navigate to my folder, which I called My Word. And I'm going to choose this picture of my dog laying in the leaves. Okay, now this picture is not centered and it's not the size that I want it to be. I want to set this picture to be 3 inches tall. Right now it's 4.98 inches tall, and I can see that right here. I'm on the Format tab under Picture Tools. Now if you insert your picture and you don't have the Format tool active, you'll want to click on that tab to activate it. Now I know my picture is selected because it has the handles around it. I could size the picture like this, and that's not exactly what I want to do because I want to know that it is 3 inches tall. So I select the picture, I'm on the Format tab, and in the Size group, I'm going to select the height here and change that to a 3, press the Enter key. Now the picture is 3 inches tall. I want to center the picture, and so to do that, I'm going to go back to the Home tab and click in the Paragraph group, choose Center. Now the picture is in the center of the page. And one other thing that I'd like to do is apply a soft edge effect to the picture. So I'm going to go back here under under Picture Tools onto the Format tab. I click the Format tab to select it. And in the Picture Styles group, I'm going to select the drop down here beside Picture Effects. Choose the soft edge effect, and I'm going to apply maybe something softer than that. Oh, this one. This one is the 10-point soft edge effect. Click that button, and now I have that nice soft edge around the picture. Okay, so let's save our work, and we're done. You've just watched part 2 of Getting Started with Word 2016. Thanks for watching.